Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the camera is blurry or not focusing on your Honor 600. The first solution to this issue is grabbing a dry microfiber cloth and cleaning the lenses of your camera. Then highlight the lenses and check whether they are clean. Reopen the camera application and try taking a photo. And if you're still experiencing this problem, tap in the top right corner, tap Settings, then scroll down until you find AI camera and disable it, and then try taking a photo once again. And if the issue is still there, then go to your camera settings once more, scroll down to the bottom, select Restore Defaults, and then click OK, and then the problem should be gone. If not, then maybe there is a more serious hardware issue, or maybe it's just an outdated software on your device. So go to Settings, go to System and Updates, Software Update, update your device to the latest software version. And if you don't have any updates to install, then also try checking your camera in third-party camera apps. And if you can see the same problem in there, then you should definitely reach out to Honor customer support service and notify them about this issue, or just get your smartphone repaired in the nearest repair center. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.